Depositing funds on NDAX is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your NDAX account. Open the app. Launch the NDAX app or access the NDAX website on your desktop. Sign in. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Navigate to Deposits. Access Deposit section. Go to the Deposit tab or section from the main menu. Choose Deposit Method. Select Method. You can deposit funds via bank transfer or cryptocurrency. Choose your preferred method. Deposit via bank transfer. Get bank details. Select bank transfer and note the provided NDAX bank account details. Initiate transfer. Use your bank's online platform to transfer the funds to NDAX's account. Include any required reference information. Confirm transfer. Once you've completed the transfer, return to the NDAX app and confirm the deposit. Deposit via cryptocurrency. Select cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Get deposit address. NDAX will provide a deposit address for the chosen cryptocurrency. Send funds. Open your external wallet and send the cryptocurrency to the provided NDAX address. Monitor deposit status. Check status. Go to the deposit history or funds tab to monitor the status of your deposit.